ready.
All right, let's open it up.
I've got a red spare now. Oh, nice.
Getting all excited over home.
Yeah.
Right
on.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
there's something there.
It's clear filament.
Nice.
Oh, dun dun
Lovely
dun.
So it begins.
And so it begins. All right.
Oh,
Uh-oh, this will be tricky.
we're gonna flop
Are we
it.
gonna? I need a scissor.
Yeah.
Or will that help to get it lifted out? I wonder.
Just cut this. Hope I don't break your scissors.
You can get more.
Make a new pair.
Yeah. That was your first project.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness. Ready? Should we look at it?
Oh yeah.
Come on.
You
Can you get it?
Okay.
There's
Oh.
our baby! We haven't named him yet.
Nice.